Alejandro.
All right. Okay, so let's do the grand prize. You guys ready? I'm picturing a drum roll across the entire nation of Canada. We got
Across
East
Canada.
listeners on here. All right, let's get this going. Okay. Yeah, hold on. You gotta share my
Luck
screen.
is totally a factor. I
Luck,
see you, Monica.
luck is the factor.
Luck
okay,
is the
so
factor.
just bear with me. Okay, drum roll. Okay, so I got to go pick more winners at random. 1. Okay, the winner is Sherry. Now I've blocked off her email so you can't see it, but I can read it. It looks like Sherry Sutherland, perhaps. I'm gonna dive in deeper and do a little check, make sure she's a real person. Sherry Sutherland. Does anybody know a Sherry Sutherland?
Oh my gosh, good idea. If you know Sherry Sutherland, then you better blow up her phone right now.
Okay, hold on. Let me check this here for a sec. Okay, so she looks like she's done a lot of the stuff, which increased her chances and probably why she won. Okay, so what'd she do here? So,
okay, so she answered the questionnaire. She got involved. She got more points.
Yeah,
that's a legit human.
Okay, let me just check the answers though. Okay, yeah, that's the right answer there. Mike, yeah, that's right. Okay, is it okay if I put you on a live Zoom and Facebook? And yeah, okay, cool. Can you guys hear us? Okay, Sherry Monburquette, do you remember entering a draw from a crazy guy on the internet to win a Bunkie package?
Yes, I do.
Did you participate in this draw and do things to help your chances? Because I noticed you got 4,400 points.
Yes, I did actually. And I just finished doing some of them earlier today.
That's awesome. A last minute shopper. I like that. I'm the same way. Well, I wanted to say in front of everybody, congratulations, you won the prize package.
Thank you. I was watching it live on YouTube, and then when you were doing the draw, you were like drum roll, and I was like, "It's me!" And then you actually said my name. I couldn't believe it. I was joking when I said me, and then you said my name.
Wow! So how do you feel? Give us a window into how you feel right now.
I'm very excited.
That's so awesome. That's so great.
What do you want to do with it?
Yeah, what are we going to do with your Bunkie? Like, what was your reasoning for entering the contest?
I'm going to put it in my yard. I live right on the Mire River, so I'm put there. I'm in Cape Breton. Okay,
so you are Cape Breton. People were saying Monburquette. That's or Mom. Am I saying that right? Monburquette.
Monburquette, yeah.
And is that like a really Cape Breton like family name?
Yeah. My husband, his family's from Cape Breton.
That's awesome. That's fantastic.
David, I wonder if just before we continue, if someone is interested in the Bunkie but they didn't win, how can they do it? Like, what do they do in order to get involved?
Well, you know what, Sherry, I'm going to tell everybody all about it. Okay, so I'm going to say, Sherry, we're going to call you tomorrow. We'll sort of define details and stuff. And once again, congratulations. This is really, really cool. And I'm glad it's someone from Nova Scotia. This is the first East Coaster to win.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, awesome. So you got my number. I got your number. We'll figure it out tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you for participating. Congratulations once again.
Amazing.